Unlock the ultimate keto meal plan, 10 proven strategies for eating and exercising success. Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed by the seemingly endless options for meal planning and exercise routines? Are you ready to take control of your health and transform your body with the keto diet? You've come to the right place. In this video, we'll reveal 10 proven strategies to help you excel at meal planning and exercise habits while following a ketogenic lifestyle. Let's dive in. The ketogenic diet is a high-fat, low-carb eating plan that has gained popularity for its potential to promote weight loss, increase energy levels, and improve overall health. However, like any diet, the key to success is consistency and preparation. By implementing these 10 strategies, you'll be well on your way to unlocking the ultimate keto meal plan and exercise routine for your unique needs and goals. 1. Set clear, realistic goals. Before diving into meal planning and exercise, it's essential to establish your objectives. Are you looking to lose weight, build muscle, or simply maintain a healthy lifestyle? By setting clear, achievable goals, you'll be better equipped to create a meal plan and exercise routine that aligns with your desired outcomes. 2. Familiarize yourself with keto-friendly foods. To ensure your meal plan is both satisfying and effective, take the time to learn about the variety of keto-friendly foods available. Focus on incorporating nutrient-dense whole foods such as healthy fats, lean proteins, and low-carb vegetables. 3. Plan your meals in advance. One of the most critical aspects of successful meal planning is organization. Set aside time each week to plan your meals. Create a shopping list and prep ingredients to save time and reduce the likelihood of making unhealthy choices. 4. Embrace meal prep. Preparing meals in advance can be a game-changer for staying on track with your keto diet. Dedicate a few hours each week to cook and portion your meals, ensuring you have healthy, keto-friendly options readily available. 5. Track your macros. Monitoring your macronutrient intake is crucial for maintaining ketosis and achieving your goals. Use a food tracking app or journal to log your daily consumption of fats, proteins, and carbohydrates, adjusting your meal plan as needed to stay within your target ranges. 6. Incorporate intermittent fasting. Combining the keto diet with intermittent fasting can help accelerate fat loss and improve metabolic health. Experiment with different fasting windows, such as 16 to 8 or 20 to 4, to find the approach that works best for your lifestyle and goals. 7. Prioritize strength training. While cardio is essential for overall health, strength training is crucial for building and maintaining lean muscle mass on a ketogenic diet. Incorporate resistance exercises into your routine at least 23 times per week, targeting all major muscle groups. 8. Listen to your body. It's essential to pay attention to your body's signals and adjust your meal plan and exercise routine accordingly. If you're feeling fatigued or struggling to recover from workouts, consider increasing your calorie or protein intake to support your energy levels and muscle repair. 9. Stay accountable. Enlist a friend or family member to join you on your keto journey. Or consider joining a support group or online community. Having a support system can help you stay motivated and accountable, increasing your chances of long-term success. 10. Celebrate your progress. Don't forget to acknowledge and celebrate your achievements along the way. Whether it's hitting a weight loss milestone or completing a challenging workout, recognizing your progress can help keep you motivated and focused on your goals. Now that you're equipped with these 10 proven strategies, you're ready to unlock the ultimate keto meal plan and exercise routine tailored to your unique needs and objectives. Remember, consistency and preparation are key. And with dedication and perseverance, you'll be well on your way to achieving your health and fitness goals. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on the keto diet and healthy living. We'd also love to hear about your personal experiences with meal planning and exercise on a ketogenic diet. Share your insights and tips in the comments below.